Hey everyone, I'm Julie, and in this tutorial, we're going to build a custom query to display the WordPress users' recent comments on the account page using the JetEngine plugin. You will also know how to display only parent comments and comment status. In case you're new to our channel, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now let's take a look at the tutorial requirements. Make sure you have JetEngine installed and activated. Then you will need to activate and set up Profile Builder. Also create the user's account page. And of course, there have to be some comments added to posts. First of all, we will create a custom query. Go to the WordPress dashboard, JetEngine, Query Builder, and press the Add New button. Fill in the name field and set the comment query as query type. Scroll down to the comment query section and open the Author tab. Find the Author In field and press the Dynamic Tags button next to it. Choose the Current ID option from the appeared list. Now click on the last tab here. Type the Approve value in the Status field to display only the approved comments. And finally, push the Add Query button. Here goes the next step. We will create a listing template for the user's comment. Proceed to the JetEngine, Listings, add a new template. Pick the Query Builder listing source and find the query you previously created. Also, you can set the listing item name and select the desired listing view. So there will be two columns. In the first column, we put the dynamic field widget. It will display the post title. For that, set the post term user object data as a source. And in the object field, find comment section and select post ID. To add a link to the post title, just enable Filter Field Output and set callback to getPost/page link. The second column will contain the comment itself and the posting date. I will duplicate the dynamic field widget. And for the top one, select Date as an object field. Then activate the Filter Field Output and select the Format Date callback. To pull the comment, just choose Content in the object field. And it's pretty much it. All these fields will display the data on the front end. By the way, you can also add some heading and of course, style everything according to your needs. So where do users usually see their own comments? On their account page. To accomplish this next step, you need to set up the profile builder and create the user's account page. If you haven't done this yet, check out our video tutorial. First of all, let's create a separate template for the comments. Go to the WordPress dashboard, Templates. And you can add a new template or use the existing one, for example, User Post. Once you open the template, add the listing grid widget and select the newly built listing. Adjust the number of columns and the number of posts if needed. Now unfold the Custom Query tab and enable the Use Custom Query switcher. Pick the custom query you have created before. That's it. Let's save it as a template and give it a name, for example, Comments Template. Now go back to the dashboard, JetEngine, Profile Builder, and open the Account Page tab. Hit the Add New Subpage button to add a new section to the account page. Fill in the fields here, and in the template, select the one you created earlier. Don't forget to click the Save button. Now let me show you how it looks on the front end. That's the account page, and here is My Comments tab. Once I click on it, that will be all the comments I ever posted. Let me open the blog page and leave a new comment, let's say, under this post. Okay, there it is. If I go back to the account page, the new comment is already displayed here. It is also possible to display the comment status. The process is really easy. I left only 2 comments. Now I will go to the dashboard, Comments, and click on Approve on this comment. To display the comment status, go to JetEngine, Query Builder, and open the query you created for the comments. In the last tab, find the status field, leave it empty, and delete the Approve value if you have added it before. Click on the Update Query button. Now proceed to the listings and edit the one you've built for the comment. We will be using the same dynamic field widget. I will duplicate this top one. Now leave the default source and select the approved object field. The next important step is activating the filter field output toggle and selecting the switcher field values callback. Now we need to customize text if enabled and text if disabled fields. Type approved into the first field and unapproved to the second one. That's it. Style it and finally press the Update button once ready. And if I go to the account page and open My Comments tab, you will see that the status is displayed and this comment is unapproved. And lastly, I will demonstrate how to show only parent comments. It might be useful in some cases. So here is a different example. As you can see, there are quite a few comments and some of them are left under this post. There is a way to display not all comments within one conversation, but only the first parent comment. Go to WordPress dashboard, JetEngine, Query Builder, and open the Comments query. Proceed to the Include/Exclude tab and enter 0 value to the parent field. Push the Update Query button. And here is the final result on the front end. This way the user will see only parent comment and the rest of them will be hidden. This will be it for today's tutorial. Hit the like button if it was useful for you. Also, if you don't want to miss our future videos, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.